Antony.
Sewell. You got this pronounce the last name.
Jesus Christ. You the whole of the box then measure up mathematically correct.
My ankles ain't sitting right.
Come go.
My ankles ain't sitting right with me.
Something wrong with them.
Alright, so.
No, I really want to eat this, but look.
Yeah, it's still
It's staying my nails already.
Okay. Shrimp and round I eat.
What? Go
Yeah,
get it.
I'll feed shrimp.
Go take it.
Which one ever from?
You got your mouth full. With the shrimp. You ain't even cut off the tail of the shrimp.
Oh, you feed that part.
Give me bomba little shell sitting.
Yo, they say shit they nice. You find it?
One bag of shit in round now and I'm literally sea cockroach.
How you know so? Yes, sir.
Move!
You see your belly shape weird. Push it over.
No, never forget this baby's to work from top of him.
No, when you eat, you take it off. If you take it off,
You drunk. I'm eating this. If I can't eat no more, that's a sign. That's God telling me I need to stop eating.
No, we keep doing this on the floor.
Don't kill.
Yeah, squeeze up here again. Get your belly bigger than that, man. That's okay. What are you tying in your belly? Get the other side of your pillow. That never make you so.
God made me this way. Stop playing
So
with
you
me.
squeeze up your belly for your ass so fast.
My ass is fat. Stop playing with me. I feel disrespected.
Go down there, friend.
My ass is big regardless. We know this.
Never go too far. No.
No, not we. Like we. Like me and the followers, the fans.
Subscribe to my OnlyFans. Just $3. Save a life. Go and begging you. I want to see if I'm cut out for this porn thing. So when you subscribe, you know, I'm gonna tell you. Oh yeah, subscribe when you find out what content I post. Click the link in my bio. See, yeah, I got it. I got it.
So Candy and the snake attack the snake blind. Literally blind.
Can you stop hiding from me, please?
Let me see if you do over here for real. How in there? Where your face there?
Under here. She hiding.
So am I hide for?
Because she can't see. Okay. Look, she won't even extend.
No fit out there then.
Baby. Come on, look. Okay, she's coming. But we about to leave, y'all.
Yeah, Candy about for the road right now. You know what I mean? And we have Ledger in the building. Yeah, we're there, man. Studio time, you know what I mean? Frosty.
Yeah.
Real producer. Straight. You have Travis over there. Oh, what that? Me blow?
Remember, I'm special.
Oh.
Don't forget, I'm special.
No, we're not gonna forget.
That's why you're dealing with me?
Studio time. Candy about to left.
So Candy about to leave.
Me know what that Travis are going to say. You have to listen to him over the hear him.
She just stop, we can get here, so Candy about to leave. You alright?
Let's try that building.
Yeah, there, wait.
Me there, man. A long time vlog girl not see, you know?
Yeah, long time.
Yeah, man. Leisure there. Leisure there. You have to show them say there, Leisure. Yes.
Still,
Yes.
Yes. Still a score, one go.
Definitely.
Go over the same.
You get what I'm saying? You can't do that, God, no, I say. But I do look very bright.
Was she a sweetie or something?
As she can tell us she name Candy. Now we there, pot of simmer and base something, rice there, some but wash my rice. I want for people to wash their rice, you know. Okay there. Leisure still in our building, music time right now. Time to record it, you know what I mean? Frosty there, Frosty ready to record now. You have Travis over there, you know, you're the man can laugh. Yeah. But we're there, we are linking back with the potter, you know?
Yeah, you back in there, man?
Yo. No. Oh, you turn it up. Yo, yeah.
So I have to stop vlog right there, so because as you can see, we did there and we record music and make sure you drink water, make sure you stay hydrated, because out of the hot, well, Florida hot, me say New York cold, me say Canada cold, but Florida hot, me a burn up. With a record music last night, so we basically they have to stop record. I never want to get copyright, but night gone good. I can't saltfish the bad. I'm not sure what we are doing today yet, but you're not going to journey with me. Wiles. Yeah, I just want to make you see what going as the day goes by. I think Chabas just start up a bike like a while. I don't know what I do road, but yeah, I'm there. I soon link on the back. Chabas forward back. Remember me telling you so me the bike start up. Oh, in go pet store and then buy some things for the animal. Them so right now a feeding time. In my yo, the one the biggest one, the one we give them last time, the bigger than this?
No, smaller.
Smaller than him. Well, the snake big enough.
So go by right there.
Yo, the one you look like you might go enjoy him. No man, the snake is big enough for hold on from the boy. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be exciting. Yo, what you must stand up already?
So right now, guys, I'm going to feed the snake, and this where the snake in it will change soon. That little enclosure where we have the snake, it will change soon. I wait for a good snake time for him to come in, and then you're going to see him in a bigger little housing, you know. But feeding time for the snake. She probably can't see right now, but
yeah, because she have something very I see me. Oh, she got attack.
shit, man. Oh shit, we not even have video.
Rat, move rat, make you see her.
The baby rat in that, we may go feed the table with that one.
People,
Right on the table, I see.
let me tell you this again. Who no like see them something, yeah?
Tell them again.
Stop watch right now.
Stop watching right now.
Snake do not eat vegetable. Snake eat rat.
Live animal.
And we feeding the snake. When him in a while, him eat all of them something alive. So we not, if we give him carrot, him not gonna eat it. Snake eat rat. So no say we wicked I feed no snake, no rat. Snake eat rat. Alright, we eat chicken, we eat goat. We love the snake alone. They look like him I got to eat now. Him a strip. Say him have something over in your eye.
Shed.
Strip.
You see him shed, so the snake can't see right now. So I'm gonna use him tongue and taste the ear to see what they're out there.
Come on, you got this. No, can't see it over my eyes. Move. Yes, Ratty, yes.
Time for Wiley back.
Watch your man, baby man.
Wiley.
You think sexy, you know?
Well, you make me touch him sometime, like right now. See there? Good boy. Well, I love beard.
You're if you ever whip you see?
You see it here now? That's Wiley. But you asleep. I'm more water I wait for, you know.
Wait him again, man. Love. Yo, the
You
man
love
love water.
beer?
I first something say love water, so.
Watch that. Cock up, you might go cock up, you know. Alright.
What's
See
up?
there?
Hold up here, man.
What's that I can't see? Yeah, we're there.
Man slurp up his tail like spaghetti.
Blue eat film food already and they're chill.
Meds is in the building, you know what I mean? Yeah, we're there.
Where you go? She go with me. No, come on, feed her the rat. Man, wake up now.
If you want to rush you, see.
Give me a jump this.
If you want to rush you.
Mate, watch your finger, you know, mate.
You look at my head there.
Alright, put that dog in there, come here, put the rat on it. Just put it down back in there. Anyway, yeah. One thing go on it, go eat the rat, and then we put back that plate for it. A little pinky right here again.
Yo, where they so we left this open and Trouble sit down there. So I'm going in the house and come back up here so in there. Climb out and up there so. Yeah man, move while you stand up and call him foot up there so and you just drop back way in there. This one you climb and go. Trouble's just waiting like a while.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Hope it end up in